Hello everyone, this is Jyothi Kumari of class 10 from Sri Chaitanya Civil Batch Rajmundry, and today's our topic is World Telecommunications Day. World Telecommunications Day celebrates the constant evolution of one of the most important factors of our lives, communication. The main goal of World Telecommunications Day is to highlight the importance of communication and how information travels across the country. It also aims to increase awareness of how crucial communication is in our lives and stimulate the development of technologies in the field. The World Telecommunications Day is in tight connections with the International Telegraph Union, the committee formed in 1865 to support the emerging communication methods of the time. ITU was present throughout all the great breakthroughs in communication. The invention of telephone in 1876, the launch of the first satellite in 1957, and ultimately the birth of the internet in the 60s. Even though the International Telegraph Union has since changed its name to International Telecommunications Union, it still remains the most important entity in the field of communications, thus remaining in the spotlight at World Telecommunications Day. The purpose of the Telecommunications Day is to help increase awareness of the possibilities that technology brings. The focus is on the internet and other information and communication technologies. We use the day to look at the different benefits ICT has had on economics and societies, as well as looking for ways to keep bridging and digital divide. Before we delve deeper into the history of this date and the different ways that you can celebrate World Telecommunications Day, let's take a look at some fascinating telecommunications facts that are sure to surprise you. The first text message that has even sent by Neil Papworth, it was a festive on as well, stating Merry Christmas. The first ever VoIP Voice over Internet protocol was made in December 1974. The most common use of mobile phones is to check the time. Telephone wires have been ranked based on how tasty mice find them. The tastier the telephone wire, the less likely it was used. The Nokia tone for getting an SMS text message is actually Morse code for SMS. It took around 1 year to connect the first phone line between San Francisco and New York. The telephone is the most profitable invention in the history of the United States. History of the World Telecommunications Day. World Telecommunications Day has been celebrated every year since the 17th of May in 1969. This date has been chosen because it is the same date as when the International Telegraph Union was founded. This happened when the first International Telegraph Convention was signed in Paris on the 17th of May 1865. The event was formally instituted in 1973 in Malaga, Torremolinos, Spain at the ITU Plenipotentiary Conference. Even here, a topical theme is selected and there are events that occur around the globe in order to celebrate World Telecommunications Day. Because of the increasing importance of telecommunications and information technology, particularly the internet, it was recognized that the topic must be brought to the attention to the public. Because of this, World Summit on the Information Society requested for the UN General Assembly in 2005 to declare the date of May the 17th as World Information Society Day. The purpose of this was so that the importance of these technologies was focused on, as well as a number of different related economic and social issues that a summit has raised. In March 2006, the UN General Assembly resolved the World Information Society Day would indeed happen annually on the 17th of May. Nevertheless, later in the same year, it was determined in Antalya, Turkey at the ITU Plenipotentiary Conference that both celebrations would be combined as the World Telecommunication Information Society Day, which a lot of people shortened to W2IST. As touched upon, there is a different theme that is chosen every year in order to celebrate World Telecommunications Day. The first theme that was chosen in 1969 was the ITU Get to know the ITU. Since then, we have a number of different exciting themes. For example, telecommunications and health was the chosen theme for 1981. In 2018, the theme was enabling the positive use of artificial intelligence for all. In 2017, the theme was Big Data for Big Impact. Women and Girls in ICT was a critical theme in 2012. And we also had Protecting Children in Cyberspace as the theme for 2009. As you can see, there are some really diverse yet equally important themes that are at the center of this important day. It is certainly worth doing a bit of research so we can discover more about the different themes. Thank you.